Hi, you guys. Jennifer here. I have a kindergartner and a third grader. Help be guiding you throughout the school year. Thank you again for homeschooling with me. We are going to focus in on lesson 143 on the first half. We will need these numbers for our numbers lesson as well as these words. Our reading books, just depending on which group you are in. God's World this day. Our letters and sounds book. Our Think and Learn book. Our writing tablet for our seat work time, and our writing with phonics. As always, we opened up with our Bible lesson, going over memorization W, and jumped right into skills development, where we are working out of our Think and Learn book, page 86. We are almost done with this book. Okay, cross out the living things. Cross it out. You cross out the carrot. What are you going to cross out?
This?
Yep, it's living.
And then this, grass.
Oh, nice. Good job. What about those?
Living.
Okay.
This?
Is that living?
No.
No, that's not living. So, yeah. Those two. Now go ahead and... We then moved on into our seat work, where all the books needed and instructions will be in the back of our manual. Yes, we're going to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels.
Star.
Match the picture to its name. Yes, star. Perfect. Oh.
Star. You kind of confusing with them.
Well, it's saying to circle the special sounds.
Okay.
Okay.
Star. Maybe I should have.
What is that?
Tub.
Tub.
It's a tub.
Which one's tub?
Tub is this one.
Okay. Well, you don't have to circle it, but circle the special sounds. What is this? This is a throne. Which one is throne?
This one.
Yes. Circle the special sounds.
First.
What is this word?
What is that? It's game? Game. Game. Rain.
Rain. Which one's rain?
This one.
Good job. That's a wig.
Wig. The next one is
Dream.
dream.
We then moved on into our reading circle of baseballs. Right here.
The blocks. Dad has 5 blocks. Joan has 5 blocks. 5 blocks plus 5 blocks
Makes
10 blocks. Deb and John has his.
Wait, what's this?
His
What's this?
with lake black.
No, that's a S.
Stack the blocks. Set the red block. On top, the blocks found Deb and Joan had fun.
How many blocks did Deb have?
5.
Yeah. And how many does Joan have?
5.
Yeah. How many blocks did they have all together?
10.
Yeah. What did they do with the blocks?
Play with them.
Stacked them.
Stack.
What happened to the blocks?
The 5.
They fell. Good job. We then moved on into activity time where you can get God's World out, page 39. 4. And what does this say here?
God made la
No.
fa
Fall.
fa.
Fall. Ooh, I can't wait for fall again. We then moved on into numbers where you can get these numbers out. Comes before 81.
80.
80. After 76.
77.
Yes, sir. What comes before? What comes before?
The 44.
What comes before?
For the grade.
What would come first? 6, 4, or 8? We have to write it here.
8.
No, the first one, the first number comes here. The smallest number. Just like this one, the smallest one came first, 3. Then the
4.
So 4, yes. And then which one comes next? No, right here, what comes next?
6.
Yes. And out of 10, 14, and 12, what's the smallest one that would go here first?
10.
10. And then which number would come next? No, you said 10?
Oh yeah, I forgot. I said 10.
And then which one?
12.
Yes, 12, and then you have... We then moved on into phonics, page 177 in our letters and sounds book. Okay, these are new special sounds. Circle the special sound. And what is this word?
Brown.
Bow. And this one?
Plow.
Okay, and what's that one?
Clown.
Clown, like you're a clown. Circle the special sounds.
This is the special sound too.
Oh, yeah, they're both special. And that was our day. Stay tuned for lesson 144. All right, you guys, today's a new day and we are going to focus in on lesson 144. We like to open up our morning to see what books are needed. This day we are going to be needing our reading books. We will be reading, as well as our Bible activity for our seat work time, our numbers skills book, our Think and Learn. We're almost finished with this book, but we have a few pages, as well as our writing tablet for our seat work. We start our morning with our Bible lesson, going over Memorization X, and jumped right into skills development, page 87 in our Think and Learn book. Cut on the solid lines.
Mindy?
This lines.
All of them?
Yes, go ahead and cut. Try to cut straight on it. Good job. Very nice. Getting better with cutting. That was quick.
Alright. I like to eat burgers and fries.
That will represent all food. Cool. We then moved on into our seat work where the instructions are in the back of our manual. We will be needing these 4 books this day. 4. But we're going to start off with this one. Remember, you have to count how many they are. So 3 minus 1. So there's 3. Just like this one was 4 pennies. They crossed out 1. Minus the crossed out one equals how much? 3 minus 1
equals 2.
Yes. So 5 minus how many are crossed out?
1.
Yes.
The letter that will complete the word.
4.
Yes.
Word. And how says 5 and 6, you're going to write the sentence.
And how many are there?
That's a lot. I have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Okay.
8.
Minus the crossed out one.
1.
Yes. Equals how much?
Number 3 is your Bible activity paper. On the front of the paper, the directions say to write 1, 2, 3 in the order.
7.
Yeah. Really quickly, I wanted to let you guys know, because I said I was going to let you guys know how the Kings of King movie was. We took our kids on Easter weekend, and it is such a great movie. The kids loved it. Write the number that comes between. What comes between 17 and 19?
18.
Yes, sir. What comes between 35 and 37?
35 and 37. 36.
Yes, sir. The 6 backwards, but that's okay. What comes between 8 and 10?
9.
Yes. Go ahead and finish the rest up. Great.
28 and 30. 29.
Good job. We then moved on into our reading groups. Baseball is our group. What is this?
The big boat.
Okay.
The boat will sail.
Mm-hmm.
Tom and I will sail in it. I like the big boat.
Good job. What is this one?
Kate got him. The cat fell in the pond. Get the cat, Kate. The cat got wet, but Kate got him.
Good job. There's no comprehension questions this day, so we're going to continue reading the rest of the book. Activity time was a fun one with music, so we jumped right into Numbers, page 116. And it is reviewing our seat work page. Let me see. We got to check this.
You got it. Go ahead and take it back. Make your clock say 1:15.
Okay, good job.
1:15. Holly, come show us your clock.
1:15. Does that say 1:15? Yes or no?
Now, Holly, tell us,
Yes.
why does your clock say 1:15?
Yeah. We then moved on into phonics, where they just needed a blank piece of paper and a pencil.
And what special sound do you hear at the beginning of tree?
So write it, yeah. Yes, exactly.
And are you right?
Write it below right here.
Look, it is tur and train TR at the beginning. Friends watching, we have a what?
Good
Yes,
job.
a star.
What is that, Isaiah?
Special sound
What's the
here
first
at the beginning
special
of
sound?
Star.
I think I know it, but it's
Star. T. So you gotta write it down. Write down the special sound ST.
Yes, R in stars. A R
Star.
R
R, star.
Star. Use the word star in a sentence for me, Kylie.
All right, you guys, we finished our day, and now this information here is for a sweet friend that requested lesson 139 instructions. I don't know what happened to my content with those videos. I know I had it. It got deleted. I apologize. This is what we're working with for lesson 139. We had some seat work. We are working out of our numbers, our kinder writing tablet, our Bible activity book, as well as our numbers writing. Activity time was a fun music video. Our numbers, you see the numbers there. We are working out of page 112. Phonics is letters and sounds, page 169. And for lesson 140, it was a fun video for skills. These are the 3 books you need for seat work time. And I'm just going over the reading groups. I'm not sure which group you are in. I am in baseballs, but I am showing the comprehension questions and pages needed to go over. For activity time, we did work out of our God's World book. And we did work out of our numbers, where you are going to complete, grade, and record that page. For phonics, you can see the words they're going over with the new special sounds, as well as page 171 in our letters and sounds book. I really hope this helps you, sweet friend. And that was our day. I want to thank you so much if you are homeschooling right along with me. We only have a few more weeks and I will be keeping you updated in all things. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.